generation of heroes. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Oh! Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at WEB we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like Vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
it's awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Problem with that,
So anyway,
Peter?
if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call someone else? Ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Here. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. We should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the slinger vehicle.
Already on.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers campus.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
And get those web vision targeting glasses on. We got spider bots to web up.
Oh, sorry. Hold on, not yet. Hold down the lap bar, everyone.
Thank
You guys
you.
can spread out so that everyone gets points. Oh, okay. Sit down.
Activating motion tracking, assigning individual access profiles, web shoulders calibrating. You there, Spider-Man?
I'm here. Where are you?
On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the impending disaster.
Wait, I thought that level was still exponential danger. Yeah, that sounds right.
I thought you'd agree.
Little help here! Guys! Quite glad to see you guys.
Start slinging. Just extend your arm.
I'll seal the exits.
Stop as many bots as you can.
Okay. That's it.
Nice job. Launching containment in 3, 2, 1.
They're heading into the tunnels. We gotta catch them.
Elevating threat level to out of control. Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually, big problem.
Start slinging.
Oh no, the bot's getting out of control.
Pull those yellow handles to swing or slow stop. Giant stop! Keep up! You may have noticed we've come to a stop. Don't worry. Just stay in your seat. I'll troubleshoot this and get us going as soon as possible. Attention, web slingers. Please remain seated and get ready to web up more spider bots.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Start slinging!
Wait, I'm trapped.
The yellow power cells aren't those strings. Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that was close.
Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever. Also, the giant boss survived. But those chain reactions did help.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
I've got an idea. We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked! You guys were amazing!
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, I took it done without them.
That was also your idea.
I know!
For your safety, please remain seated. Reinforcements, remain seated inside the transport.